In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called System and Update. Then select Input Method and tap on AutoFill for Google over here. Now it's time to select Google Password Manager and click on Add Password. If you can't see this option, that means that you never added a password before. To add them manually, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now select Offer to Save Passwords if it's not already on, log into any app and hit Save in the pop-up. This way your password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one. To do it now, tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!